I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
Is it me or these hoes just average? Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. It's the way that I wear these glasses. Met him on April 6th. Got a 15, bought me a pack. I heard he be hard on bitches. Shit, I made him fall in love with savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel.
Kelsey for the ones that don't know me, and today is going to be a Sunday reset. So today is October 5th, Sunday, 11:23, and I just got back from being I was at home for a fall break, and now I'm back. It was fun. I was gonna have a fall video for y'all, but everything was too chaotic. It was too much going on, and I couldn't really record much at the fair. But I got me, for my boyfriend, he won me.
What? See what I'm saying?
This cute cow, his name is Lionel, y'all. His name is Lionel. He's so cute.
Trench stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Trench. She come from the trenches.
And I love him. And yeah. But yeah, y'all. So today is Sunday. I need to just clean out this whole room. And I'm probably gonna order groceries because our elevators are broke. And I wasn't gonna haul up groceries from Walmart or anything like that. Let's come up here. So I'm gonna have to order the groceries, but right now my room is looking like this. It don't look bad on camera, but it needs to be clean. Then I have all of this stuff. I gotta unpack suitcases. I gotta do a lot. So what I wanna do right now is, I got a pizza. We ate some pizza from Pizza Hut, so I'm going to put the pizza in the fridge. I gotta clean my fridge out too, because my fridge is not dirty, but I need to obviously throw away expired food, because I know my milk is expired because it expired October 1st. So we're gonna do that first. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah, also I may not do a lot of talking in this video, only because I'm trying to get it done real fast, because obviously I do have roommates, but I don't want to be cleaning up and stuff, and they're coming back from being home and all that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go clean out my fridge, pour the milk out, throw it away, because I know it stinks. And yeah, so I'll be right back.
I want you to stay. I'm in the grave.
Should I sing it?
I'm in the casket you carry.
Okay, that's so disgusting. I don't even know why I did that.
Cause it was always you.
That was terrible.
Blue, please don't left to lose without my.
And y'all, the crazy thing is, it was supposed to be a sunny day today. Look at this. Look at the clouds. They is so gray. But that means that if I would have left home at 12 or something, not even 12, because I think at 1 or something, it would have been pouring on me, literally.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but maybe I don't wanna say goodbye. We should stay together.
Something about your hands on my body. It feels better than any man I ever been. Something about the way you just give me. Trying not, don't, 'cause I can't forget. You got a feel and a soul that I need in my life. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. We may grow, I don't know why we don't go far. I quit you, and I hate that. I need you when you know how to. When I need you so good, I hate you so Maybe I just feel lost without you. Maybe I'm just pissed off without you. Maybe my life's just off without you. Maybe you're worth it all to me, baby. Baby, baby, just maybe.
All the girls.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. Loving our pennies, trying to get out in a cry. Friends are my friends, and they trying to get God. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars, but something's lining up. Not my exit was bad, but you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feels me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I've cleaned out my fridge, reorganized my rolling cart, washed the bowls and stuff that I need to wash. But I just took my trash out my trash can, put a new one in there. But now I think what I'm about to do is I'm about to like go through my suitcases and put my clothes up and all that, so that way I can go ahead and get that out the way, so whenever I shower and stuff I don't have to worry about unpacking clothes. But I'm gonna put a new trash bag in here, and then again throw away anything else I need to throw away, unpack, then order my groceries. I'm probably not gonna get like too much stuff, but I still need like a little bit of stuff, you know. I'm probably gonna get some milk, some cereal cups, not like a full box of cereal anymore. Yeah, and please don't mind my edges. Like when I tell y'all, as soon as I got back up here, because the elevators are broke, like I said, and I had to haul my tail up them stairs with a suitcase and 2 backpacks. Like, it's insane. Yeah, I'm finna we'll do all that, and then yeah, and then get all this stuff ordered before it gets too late in the evening or in the afternoon, before everybody start being here. Yeah, so almost done. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all as soon as I finish.
Oh yeah, we in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take a yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say they don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but you find out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in the building. Somebody who feel me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 to the ceiling. Oh yeah, I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Yeah.
You know what she told me? She told, check it out, this is what she said. She said, oh, she said she wants some more.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going then?
Take me through that, take me through that.
We gone.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone. Out of that, ooh, she gone. Out of that, overly, yeah, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two of them go-to pair. Hide your whole two player. Got body like she went on a drill. Little ratchet shit, go trim. Content, get it on film. Full course meal, she ate up the drill. She wanna go through there, yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the pill. Gas up, shout up through there. The cool like a rocket for real. I told her charge me up, my phone died. She going to kill, yeah.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going then?
Take me through that, take me through that.
We gone.
Take me through that, take me through that.
Take her through there, huh? Bust her down just like the watch. Fuck on Tuesday, then get a whole right with the spot. This bitch gotta go. She fucking with blood in them, they ain't even having a lie. She don't know what she doing, this bitch just giving it out. What the hell? Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Even that motherfucker small, still throw that shit.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through that, take me through that.
Where we going then?
Take me through that, take me through that.
We gone.
Take me through that, take me through that.
What the hell? Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Oh shit.
It's so silly of me to act like I need you back. When you know all I can think about is that since I seen you last, I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask.
DJ Ryan.
On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mad for the moment, so I'll enjoy it. If I call her, tell her to come in, she jump like Jordan. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to do? Yes. Split inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mad, but do I love you?
Okay, y'all, so that concludes this video for this Sunday reset. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. But I'm gonna take a shower, eat some noodles, lay down, do some work, and yeah. Also, make sure y'all turn on your post notifications so y'all get notified every time I post, and make sure to stay tuned for all the videos I post too, because there will be a lot. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and yeah, I hope y'all have a very good day.